So next one, the feature of new economic policy. The feature of new economic policy 1991. So once again repetition, our new topic is the features of new economic policy 1991. एक नई पॉलिसी बनाई गई, इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी 1991 में, जिसमें 3 टॉपिक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थे, महत्वपूर्ण: लिबरलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन एंड ग्लोबलाइजेशन. In front of that I have written their Hindi also meaning, because if you have some confusion you have to read, and confusion will be there, no there, because in the case study if you have a confusion it will make a problem. So first one is that liberalization means when the company had came in the environment, the lot of processes are going on, but the features of the new economic policy 1991, they have changed about the some policies of the companies, and they had given the policy liberalization. With the help of that, companies had given a lot of authorities, plan, relaxation. With the help of that, company had been the global way, कि कंपनी आगे जाके बढ़ सके, उन्होंने उसलिए उदारीकरण का बहुत से प्रोसेस फॉलो करवाए, जिसमें उदार की भावना मतलब दया दृष्टि, means each and everyone can able to be in the business environment with the help of liberalization. Next one is that privatization, निजीकरण, means a lot of companies had came in the market after that in privatization. A lot of companies are there, with the help of that they can able to come in the market and they have to start their business. With the help of that our economical development will increase. Next, globalization, means it should be in the broad way. Companies increasing from zero level to high level, from one state to second state, one country to second country, means international level they can able to do their business. After that, impact of changes in economic policy on the business. अब इसका प्रभाव क्या पड़ा? अब आप देखेंगे इकोनॉमिक्स पॉलिसी के अनुसार, इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी के अनुसार हमारे बिजनेस पे क्या प्रभाव पड़े. तो हमने यहाँ 8 टॉपिक को राइट डाउन किया है. ये बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन है हमारे बिजनेस में, और ये परिवर्तन डेली होते हैं हमारे बिजनेस में, रोज होते हैं. एंड दीज ऑल थिंग्स वी हैव टू फॉलो. फर्स्ट वन, इंक्रीजिंग कंपटीशन. विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्री, कंपटीशन शुड बी इंक्रीज्ड. आप सबको पता है बाजार में हजारों कंपनियां, सब कंपनियों के बीच में कंपटीशन है. कंपटीशन किसका? कि हमारे सामान को बाजार में अधिक से अधिक बेचा जाए. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट दे आर इंक्रीजिंग देयर कंपटीशन. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट दे हैव टू वांट टू गेट नंबर 1 पोजीशन इन द मार्केट. अदरवाइज वी कैन से दैट दे वांट मोर एंड मोर प्रॉफिट. अदरवाइज दे वांट टू प्रोवाइड a good qualities better than others. With the help of that we can say competition is increased nowadays. Second one, more demanding customers. With the help of these changes, customers are more demanding. Customers are very happy with the help of that, and we need these things. More demanding is a very important part of our business environment. That's why these policies are very important part of our business environment. Next one, necessity for changing is an important part of that. We know very well. If we need some changes, we have to do. अनिवार्यता है पर परिवर्तन करना. कहीं कहीं आपको कुछ चीजों की अनिवार्यता हो जाती है कि ये मुझे परिवर्तन आज करना है, तो दिस इज ए इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दैट. यू हैव टू चेंज. इट विल गुड पॉलिसी फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट वन, रिपीटेडली चेंजेस. आप सबको पता है, आप बाजार में देखते हो हर हफ्ते, हर महीने, हर साल नए नए मॉडल आ जाते हैं. फोन के, कार के, हर चीजों के नए नए मॉडल बाजार में आते जा रहे हैं. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट. वी हैव टू चेंज द टेस्ट ऑफ कस्टमर्स. देन कस्टमर विल परचेज ईच एंड एवरी टाइम कंटिन्यूसली योर वर्क, योर थिंग्स, योर ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट. Then customers are happy with the product and with the companies also. अगर आप परिवर्तन करते रहते हैं तो कंपनीज की वैल्यू बाजार में बनी रहती है, उसके ग्राहक भी बने होते हैं और इससे आपको प्रॉफिट भी अच्छा होता है। आप सबको पता है, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं मारुति सुजुकी की एक एग्जांपल बताऊं तो मारुति 800 पहले हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते थे, अभी वो भी है लेकिन लेटेस्ट मॉडल में है और उससे अच्छे हजारों क्वालिटीज के मॉडल बाजार में आ गए हैं। तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम हर मॉडल को इस्तेमाल करते हैं क्योंकि कंपनीज को हमेशा हर साल इस मॉडल को बदलना होगा अगर बाजार में बने रहना है तो, बिकॉज टेस्ट शुड बी चेंज ईच एंड every time. Next one, need for developing human resources. Human resources you have to develop. Need for developing human resources. It is also important for you. Impact. This is also very important part of our economic policy. With the help of that developing human resources, we have to develop human resources. With the help of that, our business environment will improve. Next one, market orientation. With the help of also market is the orientation. With the help of market is oriented and they are providing a lot of good qualities and features in the market. These are the things. Next one, loss of budgetary support. Loss of budgetary supports. When we are going starting a company, we have to lose also. But when we are getting loss, we have to get some support from outers. So these are the important part of economic policy of the business because we have to need support. Otherwise, company will going to off. So if we have a support, then company will create once again their budget and it will become number one position. Next one, export a matter to survival. Export a matter of survival means when company will make anything in the company, he will export from one place to another place. He will purchase, otherwise he will provide each and every part from one place to second place. Otherwise, one state to second state, one country to second country. It is an important part of economic policy. With the help of that, our business environment is a very improved. With the help of our companies are going to improve day to day. Now you have to write next one. So our next one is that managerial response to change in business enterprises. With the help of that, we can say that how we can get a response, and we have to get response. That's why we have to start our business. हमने अपना व्यवसाय इसीलिए स्टार्ट किया कि हमें कुछ रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए। रिस्पॉन्स कहाँ से मिलता है? फ्रॉम मार्केट. So we have to get a response from there, and when we are getting response, our position is getting to improve. Okay. So here few topics I have written from our response to change in business environment. So with the help of that, we have to improve it and we will get more and more profit. So first one is the get diversification. With the help of that, we have to improve it. We have to improve which one is the customer is coming in my shop. He will not divert next time to another shop. We have to make him permanent anyhow with the help of our technological changes. Otherwise, any condition we have to apply with him कि आपके जो ग्राहक हैं वो आपके हमेशा ही रहें, वो डाइवर्ट ना हो. With the help of that, your margin will increase. You have to get more and more profit. This is our main motive. We have to get more profit. And second one, joint venture. With the help of that, you have to join ventures. If you start, it should be very important part of your business environment, and you will get more marginal responsibility which should be there, and more response you will get after when you have to start joint venture. Okay. Same. Next one, brand building. You know about that brand. If your company's brand is better than others, you have to get more and more good qualities, and good customers should be there. You have to make a good brand. You have to become also a brand. when your company should be in the grand way also, you have to get a lot of profit and lot of customers should be also there. So brand is a very important part of our business environment. Next one, use of latest technology. Means when you have to use latest technology, you will get more and more profit. That's why we have to use each and every time good qualities of technology in our company. So our business environment will improve and we have to get more profit. Okay. So latest technology is a very important part of our business environment. Nowadays you know that you are purchasing phone from 6,000 and each and every technological changes should be there. आप इस समय 5,000 6,000 का फोन लो, उसमें सारे लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी आपको प्राप्त हो जाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि नाउअडेज ईच एंड एवरी कंपनी हैव कंपटीशन के कारण ही सारी कंपनियां बाजार में अपने ब्रांड को फेमस रखने के लिए चेंजेस करते हैं, उसमें इस्तेमाल करते हैं जिससे कि ग्राहकों को संतुष्ट किया जा सके. क्यों? क्योंकि ग्राहक डाइवर्ट ना हो और आप ही की दुकान पे हमेशा आए. ठीक है, और एक ही कंपनी का सामान इस्तेमाल करे. नेक्स्ट वन, इम्प्रूव ओके compensation level. With the help of that, compensation level should be improved with the help of companies. When someone is come in your shop, you have to give some compensation. He is the very happy. Suppose 100 rupees he had purchased, 5 rupees you have to give compensation. He will be become very happy. He will tell this shop is the better than others. I will come next time to same shop. Okay. Next one is the given customer focus. If you want to get more profit, you have to think about the customer focus also. अगर आप अपने कंपनी को नंबर 1 पोजीशन बनाना चाहते हैं या अधिक से अधिक पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं, प्रॉफिट कमाना चाहते हैं, बिजनेस को नंबर 1 पोजीशन रखना चाहते हैं, तो आपको कस्टमर पे भी ध्यान देना होगा. You have to give focus on the customers also. What is the need of customer? What is the importance of customer? With the help of that, your marginal responsibility will increase. If you want to more profit, more margin, you have to do these all changes and you have to focus on it. It is a very important part of our business environment. With the help of that, these changes you will do and you will get a lot of profit. And this is an important part of our business environment. So dear students, you have to revise, and these all topics are very important part of our case study. I have told each and every class case study is an important part of our education. In BST also, 60% you have to solve case study in the annual exam of the 12th. So you have to be consider each and every notes. You have to make notes. You have to write. If any problem should be there, you have to write in comments. If any question is a doubt, if anyone to have asked, you have to say. Okay. Now this is the important topic. You have to make notes and revise well. Next topic we have to discuss in the next class. Okay. Thank you all for hearing me. Now this is the last of this. Okay. Meet you tomorrow.